Hello there. Um, we're now probably about 7 or 8 drawings, maybe 10 drawings into AutoCAD, and some people may be curious about getting the software at home, which is possible. So we're going to do this. You can do this actually for AutoCAD, for just AutoCAD. If you have a Windows machine at home, it will work. If you have a Mac at home, it'll work. It's the one software that Autodesk offers that they have a Mac version for because it is so wildly popular. Just to caution you, if you're trying to put this on a Chromebook, you can stop now. It does not work on any type of Chromebook. It is not web-based. All right. Before we continue, be sure you have your Autodesk um, login. We created an account a couple weeks ago in school. If you did not do that, you're going to have to take that extra step. You may have to wait a day or two, or at least 15, 20 minutes for the registration to go through. But you can see I've been to Autodesk a number of times, so this is going to pop up for me. It probably won't for you. So just do a simple search for Autodesk on Google, and you will have this as your results. And you actually want to go down here to education. You want the education page to pop up. Okay, I'm actually already logged in, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. When you're not logged in, it will look like that screen that I just showed you. It'll look like this. Okay, graphics may change, but it'll look this page hasn't changed in a couple of years. So you can go down, you can see all the products that they have. They have a wide variety of things that you actually can get. We are going to get Inventor here later on, which was down there. We're going to be using Inventor, this one actually. But for us, we want to get to AutoCAD, or AutoCAD LT is probably a little bit better version for us at home. You can see they do have a Mac version. But what we need to do first is you have to sign in. If you never create an account, you're going to have to go here, create an account, use your school email address and password. That's what we used in class just to make it easier on ourselves so we can remember stuff. And then this will change. This will change to like a little icon here, and then you will have all of it will look very similar to this. Mine's a little bit different just because I can assign students, as you see here, um, to my classes. So if you want this, you're gonna have to let me know so I can add you. And I put your name and I use your school email address. So that's why you have to register with your school email address, and then they verify that you are a student here by your student email. Hope this is making sense. That way they don't just give the software out to anyone. The district is a licensee holder of Autodesk software. So you'll sign in, you'll get to the products page just like this to get products, and you'll go down and it'll say get product. When you do this, I don't know what this is. I would probably at home, if I don't want to take up too much space, I would probably want to do AutoCAD LT. It is virtually the exact same as we are using regular AutoCAD, but AutoCAD's a little bit bigger for the stuff we're going to need for the 30 drawings we do. Probably don't need uh, the full software. LT works absolutely just fine. In fact, sometimes I have the school install LT because it's all we really need. But you'd go to get product, and then you do have to pick what Windows you guys are. Or I'm sorry, they're not making you choose Windows anymore, or what Windows version you have. Just Windows, and we are actually using 2023 at school. That will make a difference. So be sure you're doing 2023, and then you click install. All right. Mac, kind of the same thing. You could go. It's going to say install on mine because I already have it installed in here. This is actually an update. So same thing on here. You're going to want the 2023. If you're confused at how we can use Windows versus Mac and everything else and transfer the files, don't be confused because they are .dwg files in here. They're .dwg files in here. They are transferable, which is actually pretty neat to be able to do. But it's the only software that they have that does that. So, like I said, you're going to want to let me know beforehand when you want to do this so I can add you. Um, you can see they give me a certain number of subscriptions, and then I dole them out and assign them to people. And I'm usually going in and taking old students out and adding new ones. This looks like it's probably some of our advanced CAD kids right now have at home. Probably is even, you can see I removed some students. So I'm always going in and adjusting uh, who we have here and who's actually using the software. So at home, because we only have a certain number of seats, which we have plenty. So just let me know if you want that. If you're having any issues at home getting it, let me know. It does take a while to download. It is a sizable software. But like I said, if you have a Windows machine at home that's relatively new within the past 5-6 years, should run no problem. So, like I said, let me know if you're running any problems, if you need it at home, or we can also talk about file transferring from home to here at school.